What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro against the Redmi K20 Pro. So we have the new A13 Bionic versus the Snapdragon 855, 4GB of RAM versus 8, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone 11 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. The Redmi K20 Pro finished just after about a minute. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro scored higher for the CPU and the GPU. Then the Redmi K20 Pro scored higher for the UX and the memory. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will also be a camera comparison between these two phones, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.